Hello, and welcome to our video about lightning protection systems. Lightning is a natural phenomenon that can be dangerous and destructive. In this video, we will discuss the types of lightning protection systems, their components, how they work, and safety tips to help protect you and your property. There are three main types of lightning protection systems: the traditional Franklin rod system, the Faraday cage system, and the charge transfer system. The Franklin rod system, also known as the rod and cable system, is the most common type of lightning protection system. It involves installing a series of lightning rods on the highest point of a building or structure, which attract the lightning strikes and redirect them to the ground through a series of cables. The Faraday cage system is another common type of lightning protection system. It involves surrounding a building or structure with a conductive material that provides a path for lightning to travel around it, rather than through it. The charge transfer system is the least common type of lightning protection system. It involves creating a charge transfer between the air and the ground by using a series of vertical electrodes. No matter which type of lightning protection system is used, there are several key components that make up the system. These include 1. Lightning rods. These are metallic rods that are mounted on the highest point of a structure and are designed to attract lightning strikes. 2. Down conductors. These are conductive cables that run from the lightning rods down to the ground, providing a path for the lightning to follow. 3. Grounding system. This is a series of conductive elements that are buried in the ground and are designed to disperse the electrical energy of a lightning strike into the earth. The purpose of a lightning protection system is to provide a safe path for the lightning to follow, protecting the structure from damage and preventing fires or explosions. When lightning strikes a structure that is protected by a lightning protection system, the lightning rods attract the lightning and redirect it to the down conductors. The down conductors then carry the electrical charge down to the grounding system, which disperses the energy safely into the earth. While lightning protection systems can help protect your property from lightning strikes, there are still safety precautions that you should take. Here are some safety tips for lightning protection systems. 1. Do not assume that a lightning protection system will protect you from lightning strikes. 1. You should still seek shelter indoors during a thunderstorm. 2. Do not touch any metal objects during a thunderstorm, including plumbing, electrical appliances, or electronic devices. 3. If you are caught outdoors during a thunderstorm, stay away from trees, tall structures, and bodies of water. 4. If you are indoors during a thunderstorm, stay away from windows and avoid using electrical appliances or devices that are plugged into the wall. In conclusion, lightning protection systems are an important safety feature that can help protect your property from lightning strikes. By understanding the types of lightning protection systems, their components, and how they work, you can better protect your property and your loved ones. Remember to always follow safety precautions during thunderstorms, even if you have a lightning protection system in place. Thank you for watching, and stay safe.